Ori kutwara Abarikusherura obuhagizi bwa NRM mu kyanga kya Bunyoro Amran Tumusime kandi RDC wa Kikube nagira ngu n'ekyo kushasha abantu kwemaraho amataka bakahinduka boro.
These are NRM mobilizers. They stay with the community. They have to go out, talk to our voters, talk to NRM supporters to take advantage of the land they have so that they produce enough food and supply in the oil companies.
RDC yabanagamba n'Abarikusherura obushaji bwa NRM mugomboro ya Kigorobya mu district ya HOIMA.
The oil companies are here to stay. They need a lot of money. One camp alone will have more than 100,000 people. All these people need breakfast, they need lunch, they need supper. But where are they going to get the food? From Kampala?
Okurijira RDC Amran nagira ngu nekihana abantu kuguza amataka gaabo batyo bakiruka kuza kugura za piki.
Mugende mubaze n'abantu mubegese nti itaka limwina nisobola kulima mukaproducing ebicyoli mukatuuka ebihimba mukatuuka ebinyobwa mukatuuka enanansi mukatuuka ebikaijo.
Bamwe hari ba mobilize ba NRM nibagira ngu bari no bakore kiri kubasika okuhindura ntekateka y'abantu.
Abo kwa abantu bayitu babeire muno basigalire ebintu nibija nibalemwa kuba nibamanya obundi bizire obundi basemere bikozesa bata
nkulibata nakagali kano nosanga ndi basire kuruga hano apo tukapapi rugendo rurayira nosanga njuwahire muno ninyenda akiri nyambuweho barani basobora kumfunira pikipiki akipnya wenda afunaga akoraki aramvuga
aba yabahereza obutebe 50 bumazireho miliyoni 1.20 okwejunisa mu kigombe cyabo gasha kwamburozi n'uwaga bakatota.